the part B. Yes, 2b minus 1 divided by 8 plus 3b upon 12. Right? 8 and 12. 8 and 12. 8 and 12 have monoid. Common factors, right? Common factors here. 8 can be divided by 2 and 12 also can be divided by 2. So that 2 is a common factor. Or else, right? At once you can remember 8 can be divided by 4 and 12 can be also divided by 4. So 4 is also a common factor. So there are common factors for 8 and 12. Right? So you need to find LC. Right? Okay, මාරු කරලා එහෙම ජඩස් ගාලා වැඩි කරන්නේ නැහැ හරි. කෝඩේ ටික වගේ ජඩස් ගාලා වැඩි කරන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. එන ගොබ්බයි හරි. එහෙම වැඩ කරන්න එපා හරි. එතකොට මේ 96 96 the common denominator will be 96. Mean 8 into 12 12 into 8 96. එහෙම කරන්න එපා. මත වැරදි හරි. වැරදි නෑ හරි. හරිද? But you will take more steps to simplify and your time will be consumed. හරිද? වෙලාව ඉතුරු කරගන්න ඕනේ අපි. Right 8 and 12. Right. LCM 2 times 4 2 times 6 again 2 times 2 times 3 again 2 times 1 3 and then you can divide this by 3. LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 8 times 3 24. Common denominator will be 24. Either you can use the method 1 or method 2. I will do this by using the two methods. Right? First of all, method 1. Right? If you want, right, later you can write. Right? First of all, you have to watch. Okay. So method 1 equal mark. So 2b minus 1 divided by 8. So how do you convert 8 into 24? By multiplying 3. Right? Now, in this kind of situation, right, in the numerator, what I have an expression. Right? In the numerator, I have an expression. In this kind of situation, I will put a bracket and I will multiply this numerator by 3 and denominator by 3 at the front. Right? So it will be very easier. Equal mark. Right? Plus 12 into 24. Just multiply it by both numerator and denominator by 2. Right? So I have multiplied this by at the end. Right? 2. Right? Because in the numerator you have only just a single term. Single term anyway. Single number and single algebraic term, right? So that I multiply like this. But here in the numerator I have an algebraic expression. So I bracketed it and I did the multiplication in front of that. Right? It will very easier to simplify the bracket. Other than that of multiply like this. We have multiply karna idea. Right? This will be very familiar. Right? This into this. Not this into this. Right? So that I have put my multiplier in front of the bracket. Keep that in your mind, just a tip. Tips. Right? So that you need to identify those things. Right? All the lazy with right? You need to identify the small tips to do or to simplify the question, right? Very efficiently. Right? So that you have to find your own way. Right? You have to find an efficient way, right? Or speedy way, right? That is founded by you, right? You need to make sure that you have a right. Make sure that you have a best way to simplify any question. There might be different ways, but you have to find your own self. Correct? Right, okay. So how do we do this? First of all, in front of this bracket, I have positive 3 in a multiply. And here I have positive sign method in this place. And inside the bracket, I have positive 2b, negative 1. So sign conversion. Sign conversion. Positive multiply by positive. Positive. Negative multiply by negative. Positive. Negative multiply by positive. And positive multiply by negative. Right? Negative, negative. If you multiply same signs, positive, positive, negative, negative, you will get positive. If you multiply different signs, you will get negative. Right? So keep that in your mind. We need sign conversion to do this part. Right? So guys, give me 15 seconds. Right. So first I will simplify the signs. Then I will go to the numerical values. Right? Simplify the numerical values. Positive into positive. Positive. 3 times 2, 6b. Right? 6b. Right? Minus. Right? So before putting minus, so I have to multiply positive into negative. Right? So positive into negative. Negative. 3 times 1, 3. So the denominator is 24. Okay. And here I have 3b into 2. Right? 2 times 3, 6. 6b. 6b divided by 24. Right? Then common denominator is 24. So you can add the numerators. 24. Okay. 6b minus 3 plus 6b. This plus comes here and 6b. Right? So now you can simplify. Right? Like terms. This is positive 6. 6b plus 6b, 12b. 12b minus 3 divided by 24. So is this the final answer? No, because 12, 3 and 24 can be simplified furthermore. Right? 12, 3 and 24 can be simplified furthermore. Right? The common factor is 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 4. And here 3 times 8. So your answer will be 4b minus 1 divided by 8. Right? So this is method 1. Right? So I will do it using this method 2. Right? So I will rewrite the question 2b minus 1 divided by 8 plus 3b divided by 2a. Right? Right. So I have found my common denominator, which should be 24. Equal mark, extended division, 24. How many x are there for 24? 3. 3 times numerator. 3 times numerator. This is an expression so that I have written it like this. Right? How many 12s are there for 24? 2. Right? 2 times numerator. Before that, you have positive sign. Right? How many 12s are there for 24? 2. 2 times 3. 6b. So now you can simplify. Right? 3 times 2, positive into positive, positive. 3 times 2, 6b. Positive into negative, negative. 3 times 1, 3. Here, positive 6b. Divided by 24. 6b plus 6b, 12b. minus 3 divided by 24. Simplify. 3 times 1, 3 times 4, 3 times 8. Your answer will be 4b minus 1 divided by 8.